Hey everyone, what's up? So today I'm here recording this video to talk to you about a book called His Secret Obsession. So this book is here to aid you into building a lasting and productive relationship. So if you are struggling with your relationships or practically you just couldn't help yourself to find someone yet, then stay tuned until the end of this video because I will be explaining to you how His Secret Obsession can really help you out and how it can help you reach your goal into having a healthy relationship as well. So practically, if you want to purchase this book, you need to do that on the official website, all right? That's the only place where you can get His Secret Obsession from. So I did leave the official website just below this video in the description box and also in the first comment. If you guys want to make use of this book and if you want to start reading it, make sure you are getting it from the official website. Also over there, you can read people's feedbacks to see just how this book has changed their lives and really helped them out, all right? So this book is a great instrument that will aid you in building a lasting and productive relationship with other people, from dating through marriage. This book is a great resource which can be helpful to all women across the globe. His Secret Obsession claims to provide techniques that women are able to employ to make her or man more committed to their relationship over time. With the help of evolutionary psychology, the man's thoughts, desires, and the secret love of his life are all exposed. This isn't an ordinary book, all right? So practically, contrary to others that offer generic tips, His Secret Obsession is nothing you've ever seen before and has a higher rating than the majority of the romance books available currently on the internet. So, what is the hero instinct written in this book? The most adored and fundamental principles in this book can be described as the hero instinct. And is it what it really says? Guys, in James' books, James describes the nature of this habit and how it could be used by women to get males enthralled. With just a few adjustments in the right places, women can make use of this ability in her favor. Plus, this book has been helping so many marriages who were almost going through divorces. It has helped women completely change the way they thought about men. So if you're struggling in your marriage, if you want to give it another shot, but you want to do that with a fresh mind, then the book, His Secret Obsession, can really help you girls out, all right? Plus, this book comes with a guarantee. So after 60 days, if you read this book and you're putting it to use, after 60 days, if you realize that it really did not help you out, you can ask for a refund and they will give you all of your money back. So practically you have nothing to lose, girls. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you are getting this book from the official website, all right? Give your relationship another chance and simply have happiness again, all right? Have a great day, girls. Bye.